Hello, this is Bushra from Bushras Lifestyle, and today's video is about, I'm going to show you guys an air fryer because my husband broke one. And he is a gadget guy. Every gadget in the house, he forced to buy. And this one, we first time buy anything refurbished because I'm very opposed to buy electronics or electrical stuff used. Otherwise, I'm pretty thrifty. That's why the box is not there. So I'm gonna show you guys here Ninja AF100 sales air fryer, and the reviews are very good about it. I will give you all the nicks and oh, by the way, if you are first time here on my channel, Bushras Lifestyle, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so you can get all my updates, weekly videos, and be my little YouTube family, because this channel is nothing without you. So here I'm gonna get it out. We did save money because, as I said, it's not in the original box, but it comes with the warranty. Oh, that is pretty. It's beautiful. And I'm gonna review it on my blog because the one we bought was a junk. But guys, if you don't clean and take care of your product, the product does not last long. Maybe that's what my hubby did. He's making a video right here, not saying anything behind his back. That is very cool. Looks like comes with a lot of functions right here. So here we go. All these, they gave a little guide, which is really nice because our previous one did not have that. Like if you wanted to put fish, it's 10 to 13 minutes, and so does with the cake, etc. It comes with fries is 350 degree and 20 to 25. The visual guide is really nice, especially if my mother used it. And here we go. That's a little tray. So I like this. Our previous one did not have the feet, so it's like easy to clean. Hopefully, huh? So the one thing I wanted to say, rest I will go over a menu a bit, that air fryer is very healthy. So if you are hypertensive, don't use oil, or like you don't need a lot of cholesterol, don't use oil, and use like air fryer. Air fryer is good. I'm not your physician. Ask your family physician or whoever you see, but in a general health, I could say that air fryer is very healthy thing to use, as opposed to oil for oily food. It did cut down a lot. My husband is losing weight, and these kind of gadgets are helping him watching his calorie or so. That's just a side note. My channel is not about that. I'm including these unboxing videos because my channel is about home decor and kitchen and all those things. That's why. Otherwise, you won't see. This video is not sponsored, guys. Right. So I'm gonna show you guys couple functions, and we'll show you what we're going to make. So it does have a roast function plus dehydrate. Air fry, of course, it is air fryer. You can reheat stuff, and the big thing is, if you're Indian or Pakistani, you can make paratha in there. I will make one for you and show you, not in this video though. So here we're going to make the crispy chicken strips we bought from we bought from Costco. Oh man, my eyes and short eyes, huh? Here we go. So we're going to start it, and here we go. So right now it's a 19-minute sum when we started it. Then I haven't read the menu, but it would take almost 15 minutes because I know from the previous fryer, 15 minutes will be more than enough for your crispy chicken tenders or strips or whatever. Here we go, guys. It is really quick. Only took 6 minutes to do it. So wow, it is very quick. The reviews are correct. They are that it does not take time. It is quick to work with. So it's still new, so smell is coming out of it, but they look pretty crispy. They're good.